Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 476. The word origin today is plumber. All right, one thing to note about plumber, remember that the B is always silent. I actually did a short explaining why the B is silent in plumber. All right, let's continue here. A plumber is a person whose job is to repair or connect things such as drainage pipes, baths, toilets, etc. Or it could have a second meaning as a urologist, a doctor. A lot of times, a man where, he has to pee and urology and stuff, we often refer to that as a man's plumbing in a way, as in kind of a humorous sense. Let's continue. The term entered English from Old French, plumier, and earlier from the Latin word plumbum, meaning lead. So the word plumber actually comes from lead. It originally was used for someone who worked with lead. And, a lot of pipes are made of lead, of course, so that is the connection. All right, we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The toilet has a leak. We need to call a plumber. Good. Number 2, the animated video game characters Mario and Luigi from the Mario Brothers are plumbers. All right, number 3, plumbers are known as laborers who make a lot of money. Good. And number 4, a plumber is a slang term for a urologist. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.